Well, for that, you guys have to stick around and check the end of this video. Hey, what's up guys? John Creatures here again for another update of my creatures. So let's get started. There you go. Here's an update of my red shoe goldfish. Those guys getting nice and chubby. Love it. Let's move on. And here's my only saltwater tank. This is a 10-gallon saltwater, and Penny has to maintain this tank. I guess they say the bigger the tank is easy to maintain, but it's really expensive to hold the stuff you need. So 10-gallon salt tank will do for now. After all, something different. And I love that guy right there. He's very funny little fish. Let's move something else, and just not too far away, got some rainbow fish. Love that red on that guy. That's one of my favorite rainbow fish. Look at that red. Be better if the aquarium light wasn't flash through the bottom to the tank. It's a little messy because I just feed those guys, and as the food goes in the bottom of those guys, and the course they make it very dusty. They stir all the sand. So food for thought. If you got cories, make sure don't pour sand in the bottom, otherwise your tank always be dusty as you feed. Let's check something else. This is my breeding pair of angels. This is my panda angel fish. I hate the light in the background, but yeah, love those guys. Try to breed those guys, see what happens. Here's another pair. This is an orange face angel fish. Another one tried to breed in the future. And also have those guys over here. And this is my other group of angelfish. This is a mix of orange fish with the marble angelfish. It's one of my favorites. The marble angelfish, they always come out with different patterns. Love it, love it, love it. Okay, let's show you guys some of my reptiles. Don't want this feed get too long. 5 minutes should be good enough. I don't want to bore you guys. Here it is, my beautiful ball python. So happy she ate last week. The downside is she only takes live mice. I hate to feed live animals, but that's mother nature. Sometimes I have no choice. Also, it's hard to get live food, especially mice, because if they don't eat, you have to keep in some enclosure. And sometimes baby mice, if they don't have the mothers, they don't last long. That's the only downside right now, but hopefully in the future this guy will take frozen. What's up? Love the white morph. Love that dark and white patterns. Love. Try to get something in the future. Probably another female, another different type of pie. I love the pie, as I keep saying. Pie morph. Let's move to our last animal. And there you go, guys. I'm gonna end this video with this guy, this beautiful gargoyle gecko. Stay tuned for my updates every week. Don't miss it, guys. I have so much else to show you guys. Till the next time, peace. So if you guys watch this whole video or you fast forward, I'm sorry, but I will eat it if I get 1,000 views on this video. So I will need help to grow my channel, and I promise you I will eat it. If this video hits 1,000 views, I will eat a super warm. And if you want this video to grow even faster to 1,000 views, you just only have to do is like it and share it. Peace.